What's up, it's Commuter Train Fan 0168, and today we have an unboxing video of a very special train that I've been wanting for a while. So I got this train about yesterday from when I was recording this, when I met up with Railfanner Angel and we did a trade for my little short line box car for an R110B A train, which the Long Island Railroad train video that was uploaded yesterday. I think, what's today? I don't know what today is. Yeah, uploaded that day. That's when we did the trade. And I was pretty happy. So let's unbox this. Look at that. And this is, he gave me it with the box, which is great. So here we have an R110B. It's like a small mistake and a little bit of scratches, but that's fine. This is my first pinwheel. Big Munipals logo. No serial number. And then I get my R160A train. This does feel lighter. Like the trucks feel so much lighter than these trucks. But like the train body also does feel lighter too. Got squeaky wheels. Get all 3 generations of A trains. (2015) versions are taller than both the R160 and R110B. No matter. I'm gonna do a layout video with these. What's the comparison? I'm gonna see the difference between these and fat wheels. It has like, the pinwheels are bigger, and the fat wheels have like a more, it has like the shape of these, which is with pins. The pinwheels are like a lightweight. There's like a difference and not a difference at the same time. There's like a big difference. Except the sound that they make because of the weight difference. Yeah, so that's about all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, peace.